Nice. We got two blue, beautiful parrots. There's another one here just clapping his jaws to see if we can find him. There he is. He is sitting there clapping his jaws, y'all. Can you all spot the next animal?
I just went in the
Look at that. Wow, wow, wee. Look at these. This guy. Hey, what up, big dog? What's up, big dog? Whip on a whip.
Okay.
Yeah. What's up, bro? All right, that beak is strong. Oh, shoot. Is he drunk?
He took it. Benji. Benji took. Oh, he's taking it.
He said, quite exquisite.
Okay, let's keep going. Oh, guys, look, there's another one right here. There's a beautiful one. Look. Benjamin Brandful.
Oh, check this out.
Hay un pavo ahí.
Ese tiene su añito ya.
Man, he looks fake.
Why does that look fake?
Yeah. He said, excuse me, bro? You know who I am?
Guys, look at.
Oh, look at him.
Oh, no, I don't like those. Look at how beautiful his tail is. When he opens it up,
He look like a Velcro jacket.
That's a peacock.
What's up, amigo?
Hola. Who said hola? The bird?
It sound like the bird. The bird's like, hola, oh, damn. Probably want a cracker? Yeah.
You have the blue one over there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. He's gorgeous.
I don't think you're going to appreciate this part right here.
Hey, he's scratching himself.
No, I trying to get that little
I said, come on, man. He got a hard tongue.
Look at the details on his face.
I know.
Look at the details on him. He is beautiful. He or she.
Hey, Parrot.
He's trying to get that thing hard.
Pause it real quick.
We got another one, y'all.
Feed him.
He's stressed up.
Oh.
Yo, I don't like the
He
sound.
got a yellow tongue, bro.
Can I see? Benji and Selena, say.
Yo, take it.
This is
Take it.
beautiful, y'all.
Ready, set. Guys,
Look at him. He's got a perfect... Oh, he does blink. Wow, wowee. Look at the beautiful back on him, huh? His feathers look gorgeous.
No, he's so scared.
Look at... He said, wobble, wobble, shake, shaky, shaky. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. Ah! Show me what you got. Show me what you got.